Today we're taking a look at the Imagebon H70 Plus, a powerful all-in-one smart dash cam that combines 4K recording, wireless CarPlay, and advanced driving assistance features in a large 11.4-inch display. The H70 Plus features a QLED high-resolution screen with a 1920 by 720 display, delivering vibrant colors and excellent visibility even under bright sunlight. The interface is smooth and responsive, thanks to its quad-core Rockchip processor, which improves system speed and overall performance. For recording, the system uses a dual-camera setup, with a 4K Ultra HD front camera and a 1080p rear camera. This ensures full coverage and clear details day and night, even in low-light conditions using enhanced night vision. One of the standout features is wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, running at 60 frames per second for smooth navigation, calls, and media control. You can also mirror your phone screen wirelessly using AirPlay or Miracast. Safety is improved with the built-in ADAS system, which includes lane departure warning, forward collision warning, and vehicle start alerts. These features provide real-time feedback to help you stay aware and avoid potential hazards. The system also supports GPS tracking, app control via the RoadCam app, and efficient H.265 video compression, which saves storage while maintaining high video quality.